Really? Dead? Wow, how can you tell?
Well, turtles look dead even when they're alive.
Oh, Brett.
Let me take his pulse.
I never saw anything dead before, except an ant.
Yep, he's dead all right.
Some people think we live after we die.
Forget it.
If we live after we die, why do we have to die then?
Maybe it was his time.
It's not fair. If I was God, I would let everybody's turtle live forever.
Nobody lives forever.
Dear God, what is it like when you die?
I just want to know. I don't want to do it.
It's sad, but you were lucky you had such a great turtle.
Dear God, instead of letting people die and having to make new ones, why don't you just keep the ones that you've got now?
God, we give you thanks, just like on Thanksgiving.
But I'd be more thankful if my friend was living.
Was he in much pain? He looks awful green.
Arnold was a turtle. They are always green.
Oh, why did you take him in his prime?
Was he really that young?
I'd say he was maybe 3 or so. With turtles, it's kind of hard to know.
And so we lay to rest Iris Burns' beloved turtle, Arnold Burns.
Is there such thing as turtle heaven?
Will Arnold come back as a rabbit? Will I ever see my little friend again? P.S. There's no rush. Remember, I'm just 10.
If he's wet, will he get pneumonia?
Why am I hungry for French fries?
Even though he's gone, is it still helpful to pray?
If the rain won't stop, will Arnold float away?
Questions for the rain. I'm happy to have known him.
Don't mean to complain, but is it too late to clone him?
He will always be turtle number 1. The very best of friends. We sure had lots of fun.
Thank you for my Arnold.
And thank you for the song.
Come on, Kicker. Mom and Dad are here. Bye, Brett.
See ya.
Later.
Mom, I saw a real live dead turtle.
Brett, do you need a ride?
No thanks, my mom's coming, I think.
Aren't you sure?
Not really, ever since they got divorced and my dad moved out, she's been kind of losing it.
Sure you don't want to come with us?
No thanks, I'm cool. Hey Iris, you okay about Arnold?
Yeah, I am. Thanks for asking. That's really sweet. Well, bye, Brett. Mommy!